Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by gathering materials and exact measurements to produce consistent toffee wrappers. Cut a 6 by 6 inch square of wax paper for each standard toffee piece, or 2. 5 by 2, 5 inches for minis. Use 2 layers of food-grade wax paper and 1 outer printed greaseproof sheet for barrier and branding. Keep a roll of 1/4 inch double-sided tape and 3 mm heat-resistant thread on hand for sealing. Also prepare a scoring tool and a ruler to mark folds at 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch increments. Lay the 6x6 square face down and place the toffee centered on the lower third. Fold the wax paper lengthwise with a 1/2 inch overlap to form a tube around the candy, aligning edges carefully. Seal the tube seam with 1/4 inch double-sided tape placed along the 1/2 inch overlap to prevent slippage. Push the candy toward one open end, pinch the paper, and twist each end 8 to 10 rotations to create the classic wrapper tail. Secure the twist with 3 mm thread or a 2 mm adhesive dot. If you add branding, print on the greaseproof outer sheet using 300 dpi artwork and food-safe inks before assembly. Allow ink to cure per manufacturer instructions. After wrapping, place toffees in boxes or jars with divider inserts and pack 12 to 24 pieces per standard retail box to prevent crushing. Store wrapped toffees at 60 to 68 degrees F and 45 to 55% relative humidity to maintain texture for 2 to 4 weeks. Always label packages with ingredient and allergen info and include handling instructions for consumers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.